No sound on your Windows PC or laptop? If your speakers or headphones suddenly stopped working, don't worry. These 3 fixes can help get your audio back. These fixes are simple, and you can follow them even if you're not very technical. We'll start with the easiest solution and move to the next one if your sound is still not working. Let's start with the first fix. The first fix is to let Windows check the audio problem for you. Open Settings. Click System. Click Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Find Audio. Click Run. Windows will check your audio setup and look for common problems. Follow the instructions on screen and let Windows apply any recommended fixes. When it's finished, test your sound again. If you still need to troubleshoot the audio, the next thing to check is the Windows services that manage sound. Windows uses background services to manage your audio. If one of these services stops working properly, restarting it can sometimes restore your sound. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc. Then click OK. Find Windows Audio. Right-click it. Click Restart. Next, find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click it. Click Restart. Now close the Services window and test your sound again. If you still need another solution, the next thing to check is your audio driver. An audio driver is software that helps Windows communicate with your speakers, headphones, or other audio hardware. If the driver is outdated or isn't working properly, it can cause your sound to stop working. Right-click the Start button. Click Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find your audio device. Right-click it. Click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Then test your sound again. If the sound is still not working, you can try reinstalling the driver. Right-click the audio device again. Click Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall. Restart your PC. Windows will attempt to reinstall the audio driver automatically after the restart. Once Windows starts again, test your sound. If you still need a driver, download it directly from your PC or audio device manufacturer's official support website. Avoid downloading drivers from random third-party websites. If your Windows PC or laptop had no sound, you now have 3 practical ways to get your audio working again. From Windows' built-in Troubleshooter to restarting the audio services and repairing the driver, these fixes cover some of the most common Windows audio problems. Which fix worked for you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting and PC optimization tutorials.